Eclipse review, a brand new product by Jono Armstrong and Mace. I'm going to tell you the truth about it, and I have a $2,075 bonus to it. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblack.com, and today I'm recording my review of Eclipse, a brand new product that is going live that will allow you to hijack traffic from any online guru. So this will include traffic from myself, from Jono, from Brandon, any internet marketer that you follow, that you've seen around, that is making a ton of sales online. You can essentially hijack their traffic, and that's why I really love this product. Okay, so I'm going to show you first of all the system. We're going to go through the sales page. I'm going to show you the inside of the course, and I have a huge over $2,000 worth of bonuses that will include my mega bonus. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into it. This is my Eclipse review. So first of all, I just wanted to show you an example page on YouTube when you're looking for any type of a review. Okay, so I just typed in Traffic Expert review, which is a product that is launching today actually. So you know, we have Dan Bradley, you have Jono, you have Dan Ashendorf, you have Bauke right here, you have myself, you have all these different people that already you know, they prepare a review, they have some bonuses, they have a blog post about it. So you know, essentially all of us, we already did a ton of work. You know, a review like this, when it comes to my work, it's between 4 or 5 hours of work. So obviously you can do this yourself. You can get on the first page of Google, or you can just go around and you can hijack all the traffic from these videos. So that's why this is so brilliant. You know, you skip all the work and you don't really need a buyers list, because what we as affiliate marketers do, you know, we send our buyers list to these reviews so people can check out the product and then decide if this is for them or not. But what you can do is you can intersect that traffic and you can essentially hijack it and send it to the same product but through your affiliate link. Okay, so this is the brilliance behind this. So let's check out the sales page right now. Okay, as you can see, it says Eclipse, they lied to you, now it's payback. Hijack the guru's traffic in 30 seconds and turn it into passive income. Never seen before, no monthly fees, and 24/7, 365 income. So let's just scroll down. 100% legal theft. So again, you will be stealing the traffic, but it is 100% legal. Okay, so as you can see, super affiliates are making a ton of money promoting other people's products. But if you want to be a super affiliate, first of all, you need a buyers list, because this is the kind of traffic that converts the best. And then you will probably have to do a review video because everyone else does review videos. Okay, or you can just skip everything and go directly to hijacking the traffic from super affiliates. Okay, so nobody knows this exists. Are you ready? You know, scrolling down, this is a complete business. Eclipse, this is the name of this product. And again, this is my review of Eclipse by Jono Armstrong and Mace. And you already probably know these guys. You know, they are top marketers. They always come up with brand new methods for making money online and working from home. So fast results, obviously. So obviously, as soon as your campaign is running, you will see results, you will see traffic, you will see sales, and you can keep this running 24/7. Okay, scrolling down, obviously they're gonna have some bonuses, 100% money back guarantee, and you know, these are the bonuses from these guys, 4 bonuses, and you are getting my bonuses on top of the bonuses from Jono and Brandon. And I'm giving away more than $2,000 worth of bonuses, and these are not PLR courses, these are actual courses and software that you're gonna get from myself. Okay, so this is the sales page. Obviously you can go through it in your own time, and this is the inside of the members area. So we have the welcome to Eclipse video, method overview, required tools, and then we have 3 different trainings. We have easy, intermediate, and advanced. And a very cool thing is that in the third method, the advanced one, Jono is actually sharing my own YouTube channel, which means that he will show you how to hijack my traffic. Okay, so I'm doing all of this work to promote Jono's course, and he essentially shows you how to steal my traffic. So you know, that part not so cool, but it's cool for you because you can essentially hijack traffic from anyone, including myself, including Jono, including any other guru out there. Okay, so This was just like a funny thing that I wanted to show you. So again, obviously you have the easy training version, which means that, you know, if you're not an advanced marketer, you can go the easy route and get some immediate results. Then you have the intermediate if you want to make even more money, or the advanced stuff. This is exactly what Jono is doing, okay? And then we have the conclusion, and that's essentially it. Again, this is a super simple course. Essentially, you'll be just targeting other people's channels with ads. You know, there's a specific way you have to do it, so obviously I can't really show you everything right now. You know, just go through the course. You can go through the whole course in under 2 hours, start your campaign, and start seeing traffic and sales immediately, because again, you don't have to record any videos, you don't need a buyers list, you don't need any previous traffic. You will start generating traffic instantly, just hijacking it from top channels, from the gurus, and obviously you know, all of these gurus, all of the top marketers, they have a buyers list, which means that this is the best kind of traffic you can get, and you can hijack it instantly, okay? So that's the inside of the members area. There's not much more to it than I just showed you. It's pretty simple. You can start this literally today and see results the same day, okay? So right now, let's go through all of the upsells, okay? As you can see, the main method will be $12.95. This is the early bird price. The price will be going up after that. And the first upgrade is actually $37. It's not $197, it's $37. And this is a done for you pack, which means that you're gonna get 2 done for you campaigns for the rest of the year for 365 days. So obviously, if you have your own reviews, if you have your own you know, ads and promotions, you can make the big bucks, and this is completely done for you. So you get to skip all the work and you go directly to the profits. So a massive done for you pack, which is ongoing, which means that you're going to get at least 2 done for you campaigns per week for 365 days. Then we have upgrade number 2, $197, and this is still our 3.8 million list, which means that you can put your Google Pixel and Facebook Pixel on the top converting pages of Jono and Brandon and siphon the traffic out from their pages, which means that, you know, obviously if you are going to run ads from scratch, the targeting is pretty you know, complicated to do, and in the beginning you're going to pay a lot of money for ads. But if you have a retargeting list, your cost goes down to a few cents per click, which is amazing. And you know, this will only cost you $197, and it is totally worth it because you can just siphon the traffic out of Jono's and Brandon's pages, okay? So upgrade number 3, we have $197 again, and this is 1K daily hack, which means that this is a done for you solution where you will be promoting just one simple link and you will get paid up to $1,000 per commission, okay? So this is something completely done for you. Normally, obviously, if you want to do high ticket sales, it takes a lot of work, but these guys, they did all the work for you. And you know, if you're gonna pay $197, they will let you in on the profits up to $1,000 per commission, okay? So that's upgrade number 3. We have upgrade number 4, $77, and this will be Eclipse Outsourcer, which is a collection of over 30 monetizable channels that you can place your Eclipse system over. So this will essentially leave you this will essentially save you tons of manual work, okay? So $77. And the last upgrade, we have $167 for upgrade number 3, and this is license rights to sell as Eclipse as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on both the main product and all of the upsells. So as you can see, the upsells are more expensive and you're going to be paid 100% on all of it. And obviously you can use the Eclipse method to sell Eclipse itself, so it's pretty cool. Obviously OTOs are optional. You know, I showed you the inside of the members area. Everything that you need is already inside, but if you need extra traffic, or if you want the done for you packs, or maybe if you want to get the 100% commissions, then by all means you can think about picking one of these up. But again, what you're gonna see inside of the members area is more than enough to get you started with profits So guys, I really like Eclipse. I really like all the courses from Jono and Brendan. They are always of high quality. This is another one, and it will be going live on the 9th of July at 9 a.m. Eastern. And right now, let me show you all of the bonuses you're gonna get from myself. They are worth over $2,000, and these are all actual products. So this is not PLR that some affiliates are giving away. These are all actual products that you're gonna get as a bonus from myself. Okay, so the first bonus is an exclusive bonus. You will get this one from no one else but myself. It's my buyer's list ninja course, which will essentially teach you how to build a buyer's list and just become a super affiliate. Okay, so this is available nowhere else, and this is an exclusive bonus to Eclipse from myself, a perfect complement. Okay, so then we have Urgency Suits Pro. This is a software that will increase your conversions. Then we have the Lost Code, the Fuego Multiplier, the Secret Weapon, Fuego Breakout, which are W's of the Day awarded courses from Jono and Brendan. Then we have my own real-life case study on how to generate traffic and profits. Then we have Tube Traffic Avalanche, my own W's of the Day course. We have some more courses: Commission Blueprint, Launch Jacking, Instagram Marketing Made Simple, the secret to $10,000 per month, taken a month online. So these are all W's of the Day awarded courses. I have additional 11 courses on top of it. We have Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suit, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Sochi Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, and Facebook Photo Contest. And on top of all of this, you are getting my mega bonus. Okay, so my mega bonus is a bonus worth $1,500, and you can check it out. And as you can see, this is 45 plus WSO of the Day awarded courses. So you're getting all of this as just an additional bonus to Eclipse. Okay, so guys, this is a total of well over $2,000 worth of bonuses from myself, and I'm giving all of this away just as a thank you for picking up Eclipse through my link. And again, Eclipse will be going live on the 9th of July at 9 a.m. Eastern. That's a Tuesday. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment on my blog or on my YouTube channel right below this review video. And also, if you're watching on YouTube, give it a like. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to grab Eclipse through my link to get all of the bonuses. And I will be seeing you very shortly in the next video. Ciao.